merchandise arriving daily. We want to stop by often to see what's new. New store hours are 10 to 3, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The gigantic spring sale continues at the Niche in downtown Kirksville. Some exclusions may apply. See store for details.
Silver Rails Winery is open, and you're invited to the grand opening ribbon cutting ceremony on Wednesday, June 14th at 4 p.m. at 100 East Benton Street.
Tennessee.
Wine Reserve wines from Missouri, wine flags, wine by the glass and bottle, and beer. Remember the Silver Rails Winery grand opening June 14th
Faster.
at 100 East Benton Street in Atlanta. Take Route D exit off Highway 63. For more info, call 660-956-1701 or go online at silverrailswinery.com.
I got 199 truck hung up the year.
Pretty good.